Hi guys, this is Aarti from Doon Valley Greens. I'm so sorry I have not posted anything in past week because it is too much of work. Let me tell you how. Let me see what I have done. I have painted my soaping room and see that mess. God, I can't tell you how bad it is. Let me show you. See this whole mess. I have to organize it. I have to do so many things with it. I really don't understand now where to start from, but I have to start from somewhere. I hope this week I post something, but as of now this whole thing is on my shoulders and I'm just too tired. Past 3 days I have been working non-stop to figure out what I will put where and what things I need require new. It's just too exhausting. I'm so sorry to everyone who has been there for me. Please, for another 1 week, spare me, and then I'll be back with a new soaping room, or say a renovated soaping room, and I'll give you a beautiful tour of this place. So I hope to see you soon. Have a nice day. Bye.